Today we're gonna look on how to turn this into this. What's up guys, FGTech here with some new tips for you. As we saw in the intro, I will be showing you how to make your RGB mechanical keyboard shine even more with this cheap padding keycap set. As we will see shortly, the procedure is quite easy, and this set is basically working for most Cherry MX mechanical keyboards. But let's see first what we get in the box. So basically we have two layers with keycaps that we need. That's first one. And here we have the remaining keycaps. And as we can see, there is also a key puller, very useful for getting everything faster out of our keyboard. So in order to speed up the whole procedure. So I got this set for just 20 USD. It's a super cheap upgrade. I will leave the link down below for you guys as usual. But there are anyway multiple brands making them. I got the black and white version as we can see. But we also have white and pink white versions. Also available in both 108 and 87 keys variants. Also ANSI or ISO selections are possible. As we will see, replacing the keycap with the padding ones will enhance the whole RGB lighting of our keyboard due to its better light transfer. And this is obviously anyway a reversible mode, so we can go back to the original keycaps anytime we want. The great thing also is that they are Double Shot PBT, so they are supposed to be solid and durable over time, which is insane for something that is so cheap, honestly. I'll be installing these keycaps on this keyboard right behind me. This is the Red Dragon K550, which is basically a perfect clone of the Corsair K70 RGB keyboard with some additional micro keys. So this milky white finish around each keycap will not only help in boosting the lighting effects, but will also make those also more appealing, as it will have the diffusion light as well. Since we're gonna need to replace individually each single key, I will also take advantage of this operation in order to clean the dust below each single keycap. So we start with the first layer of keys from top to bottom. Let's use the provided key puller. I will leave this for just to check the difference. Okay, let's start with this first set and let's clean a little bit. It wasn't actually very dirty, so that was quick. And now let's start replacing using the new keycaps. Okay, as we can see, we already replaced a couple of lines, so we can turn on our computer in order to check the difference of lighting among the original keycaps and the padding ones. And we can already see a huge difference right now. So the usual multicolor wave is showing impressive difference between the original keycaps and the padding ones. The sound is obviously the same. They seem to be made with decent quality. We can see really what I said earlier, so the light diffusion all around the edges of the keycaps. So this is for showing the difference. And now let's just complete the procedure with all the other keycaps.
"2,000 years later."
And here the final result. I have to say I'm quite pleased with it. Here we can see the original keycaps. So there were these four that we don't need. So this is, for example, for other layouts. I have a US layout. This is, for example, used in the Italian layout. Now let's switch through some lighting modes. Everything is much brighter, as we can see. That's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all for today. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell for getting notified about new content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.